Welcome to TCG Quest. Today we're going to be opening a Cardfight Vanguard Divine Lightning Radiance Booster Pack. That's Booster Pack 12. This is it here. It's quite a nice little box product. Very cool. It's my first time that I'm opening a Cardfight Vanguard box, so I really don't know what I'm going to be getting. I'm assuming some of these pictures on the back of the box are sort of maybe examples of the cards that we're going to be opening. Those are pretty cool looking fantasy cards. Like the colours. I'm liking everything so far, so let's get it open, shall we, and see what's in there. Right, so I've just got to figure out how to open this. Bear with me. Oh, okay. So we've got something a little bit different in there. I wasn't quite expecting dice. And those are instructions or something. Right, if I just set this up, try and work out how to do this. Oh well. Let's have a little look at the booklet. Assuming, oh, is this an online? It's like an online game, isn't it? Like an app store game. And I don't know what the other thing is. And some more, yeah. So this is based on an animation, if you didn't already know. I've never seen it, so I don't know anything about the characters or anything like that. It's a nice little dice, quite a fancy little symbol. And we've got some of these special edition cards or something. Oh, they look like they're just based on the game. Are they part of the game? Yeah, it looks like it. I'll get them opened anyway. We'll have a little look. So have a little look and see if there's anything different. Oh, different colours. Okay. Or if there's any differences in the rules or anything like that. Let me just check. Slight difference, possibly. Anyway, I'm not going to be playing the game, so put those down. Oh, quite cool though. Alright, first pack. Let's get going. So this is the Divine Lightning Radiance pack. The Cardfight Vanguard. Now I don't know what's valuable and what isn't, so I'm going to be learning as I go along, so bear with me. If I do pull something really amazing and I don't notice it in the video, then just leave a comment down below and I'll pick it up. Oh, exciting, let's have a look. I don't know how I'm supposed to open these, and we start off with a robotic dog. That's cool. Bear with me. Okay, so we've got a little anime witch. Don't even know what's going on in this card, but that's the Eradicator Gasson. Knight to the Blue Sky Shanak with a very cool looking card. Nice blues, nice sky colour. And is this our first shiny card? I think it is. The White Rainbow Witch Pyrethia. This is our first shiny. It's got a bit of a weird shine effect to it. It's the Eradicator Spark Rays Dragon. So let's get the second pack opened. Once again, just check out the beautiful artwork on the front. Slowly, oh, these packs are a bit of a pain to open. I'll get used to them. About another 15 of them to open, so I'm sure I'll be an expert by the end. So let's have a quick look. There's the back of the cards. What on earth is that? So that's the Lightning Gun Eradicator Oban. Relentless Knight Lulak. Latch? I don't know. Don't even know what that is. Incipient Longtail, White Emperor Witch Presame, Yeah, I'm not even going to pronounce that. That's a cool card though. I like it. And the Aspirations of Limitless Power. That's a shiny card. It's got a cool little holographic effect on it. It's quite cool. I'm guessing it's probably not the main draw card. I'm guessing this is. This is the Love Machine Gun No-Shield. Yeah, that looks quite a cool little card. So once again, I don't know whether any of these cards are really, really good or anything like that. So just bear with me. I'm sure as we open packs, we'll kind of get to the point where we understand what's a good card and what isn't. So here we go. This is pack 3. Let's see what we're going to get. Well, straight off the bat, we get a pretty cool dragon, the Vibro Crusher Dragon. We've got the Eradicator Springlight Draco Kid, the Holy Mage Induff. Now, I am going to apologise because some of these I can't read very well. I've got a camera right in front of my face, I've got the light in front of my face, the microphone in front of my face, so I'm having to look at these cards, watching them off a video. So just bear with me. So that's a Martial Arts Dragon. That's our first little shiny. Is that the rare? That's a rare card. Oh, this looks pretty cool. The double rare. The Oath Liberator Aegir Veil. That's a cool looking card. We need to get that protected. If I take out a card sleeve and get that in. Once again, I don't know whether these are, amazing cards or anything like that. So if I end up putting one in a top loader or a card sleeve and it's worthless, I'll change it after. Right, 4th pack. Let's take one from the back this time. Let's mix things up. Let's see what we get this time. Nope. Opened it a little bit differently there. I really should use that notch from the top corner. Let's see what we get. So, start off with a Relentless Knight Lulak. The Falling Star Sorcerer Vi. That's cool. It's Vibro Crusher Dragon again. Got the Dragon Dancer Girina. The Critical Hit Angel. Oh, I can see shiny. Oh, look at that. Right. Okay, so this is the rare. The Mythic Beast Haiti. That's okay. There we go. The Mythical Dragon Beast Vanguard. I can't even say it. That's a cool card. That's surely got to be something quite cool. Let's get that protected. That's cool. I like the artwork on that one. Yeah, not so much that one. Alright. Let's pick another one. Hopefully we'll get something quite fancy this time. Right, let's get this right. Still not quite right. Another fight with a packet. So, okay, this is something a bit different. An Astral Plane. That's quite cool. I like that. Got a Happy Bell No-Seal. Disinfect Angel. That's quite cool. Like that one. Yellow Gem Carbuncle. Dragon Dancer Vian. These cards are a bit stuck together. Knight of the Flying Rings Edmund. Is that a shiny one? We've got a Regalia of Fate Norn. Now that looks That looks pretty cool. It's a double rare, I think. That's a cool looking card. I like that. I'm guessing what we're probably looking for is full card art, similar to as with Pokemon. I'm guessing that's probably what we're looking for. I really should have researched it before I did this opening, but right, here we go. Let's do it. Watch this. Oh, look at this. Perfect. So start off with, I don't even know what that is. I can't even see. Very cool. Clean Shake Angel. Nice colours in that. We've got Lightning Cannon Eradicator something or another. Nurse of Hold Heart. The Pinky Denturist. Okay. That's cool. Very cool looking card though. Really like that card. Don't know what it is with Denturists. Okay, this is my mini shiny. Or the rare card. Eradicator Thunderous Beast Dragon. That looks quite cool. And we've got another rare card that's a black mapping Salafail. It's alright. Once again, I have no idea. I mean, it might be that sometimes the rare cards might be better than double rare or triple rare. So we'll have to see. Right, so what we got? Sunloving Knight, Cuthred, that crazy bird thing. Got another Astral Plane, a Surgery Angel. What's it with medical things in this? Here we go, Staunching Angel. She's got a huge plaster. Very cool colours. Do like that card. Hope I get a rare one of those. What's this one? A Herd Archer Biscuit. Yeah, it's alright. It's a bit messy. Oh, look at this card. Lightning Whip Eradicator Subail. That is a nice card. If only it was like a full art. That's probably the best card I've pulled so far. So once again, whether it's worth anything is a different matter, but we'll see. Let's go on to the next pack. Watch this perfect opening. Oh, bugger. These packs don't like me very much. So next one. Okay. Once again, we're on Surgeons. What is it with the medical? Medical Kit Angel. The Knight of Early Dawn. Cool. Somebody playing a trombone thing. Quite a cool little coloured card. That's quite nice. I want to get to the juicy cards. Okay. This is the first rare of the pack. So that's a Black Closure Zophiel. That's quite cool. Not bad. It's not a bad card. And Sunshine Knight Jeffrey. So that's a double rare, I think. Sorry, I can't read. Sort of looking at a small screen. We'll get it bagged anyway. Get the next pack opened. I'll get the setup right next time. So this was just really a practice, just to get used to talking on the camera and testing my microphone out really. Right, Holy Mage in Dulf. Djinn of Thunderous Shock. That's quite a nice card, I like that. Okay, cool. Very cool. I like the colours. That's almost a full art card, if that's worth anything. There's our first rare, the Scaling Angel. It's not bad. It's not a bad card. And here we go. The Knight of Strong Favours. Berengaria. No idea whether I'm pronouncing these correct, but so that's 2 cards. Once again, I don't know whether they're good, so I'm just going to put them to one side for now. Let's get another pack opened. So, crate, oh, that's quite cool. Okay, unusual. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that card. Shame it's only a common card. That's quite cool, we've got one of those before. To the Exorcist Mage, Lin. Cool colours. It's another almost full art style card. I think we'd got that one before, had we? Okay, so this is the first rare. It's alright. It's not a bad card. Oh, look at this. Black Call Nakia. That's quite a cool card. I like the shimmering effect on some of these cards. Really well done. So the colours as well look really, really cool. Get that protected. And I don't know, I've got a feeling this might be a good one, so we're going to drop that in the top loader. Might not be, might be worth pennies, but those look pretty cool. So that's the first card in the top loader. Look at that. Cool, I like that card. Right, next pack. Getting a bit of an expert now at opening these packs. So, don't know whether we've got this one before. Okay. Oh, that's quite cool. That's quite cool as well. And so's that one, Surgery Angel. Here we go with all the plasters and the doctors and the dentists. Here's the first rare, it's the Scaling Angel. I think we've already got that one. Not bad. Oh wow. Cosmic Regalia CEO Yggdrasil. I think that's how you pronounce it. That is a cool looking card. That card has got to be surely the best card I've pulled so far. If only by looks. That's a nice card. That's definitely getting the top loader. Let's get that in. Very nice card. Let's just straighten that up a little bit. It's a very nice card, really like it. Very cool. To be fair, I'm quite impressed with some of these cards. Some of the sort of double rare cards that we've pulled have been really cool looking. Even some of the common cards, they look quite good. Let's hope we can pull something even better. I have no idea what's going on in that one. Or that one. Well, that's quite cool. It's riding a llama from the looks of it. That's quite a cool one as well. There's a few sort of full arts in the commons. I like that. There we go. It's the Player of the Holy Pipe. let's just sort these cards out. These cards are a little bit stuck together. So, right, here's the first rare. It's the Knight of Strong Favours, Berengaria. Oh, once again another another very, very cool looking card. It's the Eradicator Dragonic Descendant. Look at that. I like that card. That is definitely getting sleeved, definitely getting top loaded. Very cool. That's two cards that I really like the look of. Hopefully they're worth something. If they're worth a little bit, I might get them valued. Maybe get them sort of sealed. That's a quite cool card. I like that. I do really like it. Right, next one. So straight back to the medical stuff, I think. Cool little wizard. You've got this character again. There we go, the Clean Shake Angel. Don't even know what's going on in some of these images. We got the what is it? The Free Trance Sage Payron. It's quite a cool card. I like that. Looks like they're getting stuck together again. So oh, here we go. First red. Now that is pretty cool looking. The Battalion Lands Dragon. Oh, okay. That's quite a nice one. It's quite a cool card. Shame it's only a rare. These are alright. They're not bad. That one's probably the better one, I think. Whether it's worth more or not is a different matter. It does look cool. We need to bag them. So on to the next pack. Get it opened. Okay, very cool. Disinfect Angel. We've already got one of those. Black Leash Abdiel. I think we got one of those. Don't know. We've got one of those as well, I think. That's quite cool. Got one of those. Oh, not this one again. Not the Mythical Beast Haiti. A quick little look at the what's behind. Okay. Oh, okay. The Black Shiver, Gavriel. So that's the character on the box, isn't it? So if you look at the front of the box or the front of the packets, that's that character. I'm hoping that could be quite a good character to pull. Quite a good card. So let's get them protected. Get down, come on. There we go. Once again, very cool card. So we got two more packs to go. Although if you do enjoy this opening, I have got some more boxes of Cardfight Vanguard cards and booster packs to open. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow the channel, especially if you've enjoyed some of the cards we've got, because we do plan on opening a lot more. I'm quite enjoying the Cardfight Vanguard. We've got a nurse. Oh, that's quite a cool card. I like that. That's quite cool as well. Don't even know what that is. It's like a balloon animal. It's quite cool. That's the, is that the rare? It's hard to tell sometimes with the shiny ones. So this is the double rare. If that was a full card art one, I would love that card. The colours on that look amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm getting it sleeved. So I can't tell whether there's multiple cards there, so I have to keep checking. That's cool, I like it. So, final pack of this Divine Lightning Radiance Booster Box. I hope you're enjoying it. I really hope that you like these Cardfight Vanguard cards. I think they're really cool. I can't wait to open tons more. So, what's going to be the final shiny card? This should be the last but one. Okay, that's not too bad. It's a crazy like samurai type thing. And the final card. Oh yeah, look at this. The Scarface Lion. Now I'm guessing it's probably not a great card. The attack doesn't seem as good as some of the other cards, but I like the colours. And who doesn't like a flying lion with a sword in its mouth? That is cool. So I'm going to get it top loaded because I've no idea whether it's a good card or not. So some of these are just stuck together a little bit. So let's get that top loaded. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I like it. So those are some really good cards. It's been quite a good opening. I've quite enjoyed looking at some of the cards we've pulled. There've been some really nice shiny ones. So all we need to do now is just have a little look and just look at all the cards that we pulled, all the rares, all the double rares, just as a bit of a reminder. So let's have a little look. So we've got the Flying Lion with the sword. Epic. So they're a bit stuck together. So we got that. That's quite a cool one. Like it. That's obviously got to be one of the better ones we've pulled, especially as they're the main character on the pack art. That's quite a cool one. It's not bad. That's quite cool as well. Yeah, that's not bad. That is cool. I really like that one. Not bad, not bad. Once again, really cool one. Really cool. And obviously that one, once again, great card. One of these. I don't know whether I'm quite so sure about the shot. Some of the rare cards don't quite like the shiny effect. It's all done in like squares. I don't know how keen I am. That's a cool card. I like that. Not very keen. That's a good one. I like that. And that one, all very cool. That's an okay card. And just one of those. That's cool. It's all right. There we go. That's the very first pack opening of Cardfight Vanguard. What do you think? Do you like the cards? Have you enjoyed the opening? If so, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you put click the like button on the video, put some comments below, let me know what you thought of it, and we'll get some more open very soon. So check this video in the box above if you're interested in watching more card openings. Okay, cool. Take care. See you soon. Bye.